Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top best shirt keys for iOS 11, 12, 13, 14. The first key is called Quick Press, and this package has been downloaded 3,500 times. Quick Press is a little yet useful tweak that lets you add quickly access, tweak, and stock preferences from the 3D touch menu on Settings app. This is called Quick Predict Key, and compatible with iOS 11, 12, 13, 11, 12, and 13. Easy switch between predict keyboards. This is called Easy Airplane Disabler, and turn off airplane mode directly from alerts. This is called Pancake. Brings interactive dismiss gestures as the whole screen to all apps. Adds the ability to restore previously closed pages. This is called Add a Folder, and is in the pane to move many apps to a dedicated folder. It's all about adding the item to the touch menu, allowing you to choose between the destination folder. So, pretty cool. She's called No Tie or No T Vibe, and if you have a notification without looking at your phone, hold power down, hold power button or other adjusters, know if an important notification is pending. So sometimes it can be tedious to take out your phone out of your pocket just to check if you have a message or any other notification. For notification with notify, just hold the power button and your iPhone will vibrate if there is a pending notification of one of your selected apps. This is called Short Emoji 2, and number 1 keyword tweak, supports iOS 13 and up, brings back life into your keyboards. You have these features right here. These tweets support it. This is called Limiro, and it's your library for my tweets for Limiro. This is called Video Swipes, and tweet that adds swipe gesture to the stock iOS video player. This is called Quick CC Dismiss. So quickly dismiss Control Center from expanded modules. This is called No Shutter Sound, removes the camera shutter sound. This is called Nano Banners, crosses iOS 14 up, makes a notification banner as compact as a status bar. This is called Twitter Theme Support, adds theme support for the Twitter app. This is called Insta Online Monitor, so updated for latest Instagram support. Let's add icon, user icon location overlapping with bell icon, so it allows you tells you when someone goes online or offline on Instagram. This is called Flow. It's a redesigned cover for a music player on the lock screen. This is called Gestures i11, compatible with iOS 13 and 14 all devices. Use these features right here on all devices. This is called Auto Location. To usually enable the location switch only when using an application that requires location services. If you have forgotten that to enable location after launching the application, this tweak is for you. It automatically enables and disables location services only when needed. This is called Network Disabler. Control your network when using apps. Supports iOS 10 to iOS 14. So you turn off Wi-Fi, select data, or location services. Turn on airplane mode automatically when the selected application is started. This is called Little 11. Brings iPhone's features and more to devices running iOS 13. You have all these features right here. This is a theme called iAdapt. Light and dark home screen icons. This is called Volume Mixer. Compatible with iOS 10.3 to 14. Volume control for individual apps. This is called Indie Color. Change the color of the indicator dots. This is called Frida, inject JavaScript to explore iOS apps over USB. This is called iSecure OS, a security application. So now you can detect the main repo malware plus more features. So finds out vulnerabilities and security risks for your iOS device. This is called Shutter Sound Switch, supports iOS 8 to 14. Essentially the Shutter Sound and Screenshot Photos app. Silent shutter sound by turn off the shutter sound of the camera and the screenshot. This is called Dope Convos, and make sure to mention this app Dope.